In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva for Education. To get started, open Canva and sign in using your school or education account. This is important because Canva for Education includes special features and resources designed specifically for teachers and students. If you are not already signed in with the correct account, take a moment to make sure you are using the one connected to your school. That way you can access the education tools without any confusion later. Once you are inside Canva, go to the Canva Education page and check whether you are eligible for access. This step helps confirm that your account qualifies for the education version and unlocks the features available for classroom use. If access is available, you can move forward knowing you are using the right setup for lesson planning, assignments, and collaborative learning. After that, spend a little time exploring the education templates. Canva offers a wide range of ready-made designs for presentations, worksheets, posters, lesson materials, and more. These templates can save a lot of time and give you a strong starting point, especially if you want something that already looks polished and organized. As you browse, think about what kind of project you want to create and which format best supports your goal. When you are ready, create a design from scratch or choose a template to customize. This is where you can make the project your own. You can edit text, change colors, swap images, and adjust the layout to match your classroom needs or the style of your lesson. If you are creating materials for students, keep readability in mind and make sure the design stays clear and easy to follow. Canva's editing tools are simple to use, so even small changes can make a big difference. Next, use the classwork or collaboration tools to share your design and work with students or other teachers. This is one of the most useful parts of Canva for Education because it allows multiple people to contribute, review, and improve a project together. Whether you are assigning work, building a group activity, or creating resources with colleagues, these collaboration features help make the process smoother and more interactive. Finally, once your design is complete, save it and share it. Before sending it out, take a quick moment to review everything for accuracy and appearance. Then share your finished design in the format that works best for your class or team. And that's how to get started with Canva for Education in a simple, effective way.